My name is Sohail Balkhee, and on this channel, Vectorlog, I create videos to spread financial awareness and literacy for my US audience. $5,200. That was my tax refund when I was working in Florida. And I remember sitting there thinking, should I spend it or actually use it smart this time? I was working in Florida at that time, and one thing people don't realize is Florida has zero state income tax. But federal taxes still hit, and I had my withholding set wrong, so I ended up overpaying taxes and got a big refund. Most people see a big refund, and they start spending on shopping, trips, and gadgets. Within 30 days, it's all gone. So I made a plan. I split my money into 5 parts: emergency fund, debt payoff, investing, skills, and a little fun. I took $1,200 and built my emergency fund, because without savings, one problem can destroy your finances. I used $1,800 to pay off my credit card debt, which was costing me around 20% interest. That was the best return I could get. I invested $1,500 into a simple S&P 500 index fund. No hype, no risk, just long-term growth. I used $500 to invest in myself, skills and tools, things that help you earn more money. And yes, I kept $200 for myself because a plan without enjoyment doesn't last. Here's the formula. Emergency fund first, then high-interest debt, then investing, then skills, and then enjoy a little. That's exactly how I used my tax refund, and it changed how I think about money. What are you doing with your refund? Subscribe to Vectorlog.